In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning black and white photo using Lightroom Classic. Creating a black and white photograph can add timeless beauty and drama to your images, and Lightroom Classic provides a powerful suite of tools to achieve this effect with precision and creativity. Let's dive right in. Start by selecting the photo you want to work on in the Library module. Once you've chosen your image, switch over to the Develop module. This can be done easily by pressing the D key on your keyboard. This module is where all the magic happens, offering you complete control over the editing process. Next, look to the top of the basic panel where you'll see the treatment options. Here, click on black and white to convert your photo from color to monochrome. If you're keen on shortcuts, simply press the V key instead. This step is your initial conversion, and Lightroom does an impressive job right from the start. Now, to give your black and white photo a unique character, consider selecting a black and white profile. Within the basic panel, you'll find a profile browser icon. It's represented by 4 small squares. Click on it, navigate to the B&W section, and explore the available profiles. Each profile has a distinct effect on your photo's mood and contrast, so take a moment to find one that resonates with your artistic vision. With the initial transformation done, it's time to fine-tune your photo in the basic panel. Here, adjust the exposure to control the overall lightness or darkness of your image. Tweak the contrast, highlights, and shadows to define the depth and details. The whites and blacks sliders are also crucial, helping you achieve the right tonal range for your photograph. To add an extra punch, consider increasing the clarity or texture, which can bring out the fine details and give the image a gritty yet impactful feel. Moving on, open the black and white mix panel, previously known as HSL, B&W. This is where you can be truly creative. You'll see sliders corresponding to the original colors in your photo: red, orange, yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple, and magenta. Adjust these sliders to control how these colors translate into grayscale. Sliding right will lighten those color areas, while sliding left will darken them. This can dramatically change the look and feel of your black and white image. For more precise control, use the Targeted Adjustment tool. It resembles a small circle with arrows. By clicking on a specific area of your photo, you can directly adjust the brightness of the tones present in that spot. Lastly, let's not forget about the Tone Curve panel for additional contrast control. Applying a classic S-curve can create punchy blacks and strong highlights, enhancing the overall impact of your photograph. And there you have it, a beautiful black and white photo created in Lightroom Classic. Whether you're going for dramatic moods or subtle elegance, these steps will help you achieve your desired effect with confidence. Happy editing!